How to enable dark mode on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to turn on dark mode on Facebook application. Let's begin. Start by going on to Facebook and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then you want to go ahead and access your menu icon by tapping on the top right. From menu, you can go to the gear icon and tap on it to go to settings. On your settings, you can scroll down and find the dark mode option. Tap on it, and currently it's turned off. Now to enable it, just go ahead and tap on, and you've successfully turned on the dark mode. Additionally, you can also use the system settings to match your system preference. So since I've selected light mode on my system, it's going to show up light mode. But if I just go ahead and quickly turn on the dark mode on the system, the app will also turn into the dark mode. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.